Good evening, my wonderful friends. I welcome all of you once again to Buchi Online Maths. In this question, we are going to find the value of x, given that 16 raised to power x minus 4 raised to power x equals 56. To solve this, 16 is the same thing as 4 raised to power 2, then in brackets, raised to power x minus 4 raised to power x equals 56. Okay, next thing is to note that we can interchange this, okay? We can bring the x inside and bring the 2 outside. So this can be written as 4 raised to power x, okay? Then raised to power 2 minus 4 raised to power x equals 56. We did this so that we can achieve 4 raised to power x here, because we have 4 raised to power x here as well. Okay, now that we have 4 raised to power x here and here, let us represent 4 raised to power x with a letter, okay? So we can say let p represent 4 raised to power x, so that anywhere we see 4 raised to power x here, we replace it with p. So this becomes p, okay, raised to power 2 minus 4 raised to power x is p equals 56. Now you see this is going to become a quadratic equation. Okay, so to form this quadratic equation, let us bring 56 to the left side of this equation. So we have p raised to power 2 minus p, okay? This is plus 56. When it comes back, the sign will change to minus, so we have minus 56 equals 0. Now, let us solve this quadratic equation. To solve this, we can use factorization method, okay? Now, let's ask ourselves, what are the 2 factors of 56 such that when we multiply the factors, they will give us minus 56, but when we add the factors, they give us the coefficient of p here, which is minus 1. Okay, let's do it here. We have minus 56. We know that 8 multiplied by 7 will give us 56, okay? But we are looking for minus 56. So when we add minus here, it becomes minus 8 times 7, which is minus 56. That's exactly what we want to achieve here. Now let's add them together to see if they will give us minus 1, which is the coefficient of this p. Okay, minus 8 plus 7 will give us minus 1. Okay, so we have achieved that. That means the factors are minus 8 and plus 7. So we open 2 brackets now, equate them to 0. In the first bracket, p is raised to power 2, so p will be here and p will be here. The first factor is minus 8 and the second factor is plus 7. Okay, so this is how to factorize this. Now, we have established that each of these 2 brackets is equal to 0. So we have p minus 8 equals 0, and we have p plus 7 equals 0, okay? Therefore, to simplify this, p will be moving minus 8 to the right side will give us plus 8, and here p will be moving plus 7 to this side will give us minus 7. Okay, now we have 2 values for p, plus 8 and minus 7. We can then go to this equation. Let's call this equation 1. We can go to this equation 1 and replace p with 8 to see if we can get the real value of x. Okay, so let's do that. From equation 1, we have p equals 4 raised to power x. So here, when p is 8, we have 8 equals 4 raised to power x. Okay, now to solve this, 8 is the same as 2 raised to power 3, and 4 is 2 raised to power 2. Okay, then we have x here. So this will be 2 raised to power 3 equals 2 raised to power 2 times x will give us 2x. Now, because the bases are the same, let's do away with the bases and equate the powers. So equating the powers, we have 3 equals 2x. So x now will be 3 divided by 2. So this is a real value of x that can actually satisfy this equation. The value of p cannot be -7. If it is -7, we cannot get the actual value of x that will satisfy this equation. So this is the only answer that can satisfy this equation. Thank you for watching. Do not forget, this is Buchi Online Maths. Please, if today is your first time to watch my videos, kindly share this video after watching it. And do not forget to follow me on Facebook. Buchi Online Maths is the page. Follow me on TikTok as well, Buchi Online Maths, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you once again, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.